Dear students, in the earlier chapter we have seen tenses. There are 3 tenses and 12 divisions are there. 3 tenses, 12 divisions. So, the page number 37 to 45 and the uses of tenses, this is what we are going to see. Now, the present tense, you know the present tense, number 1 is present tense. Where do you use this present tense? Very important. Where do you use the present tense? The present tense is used in 5 places, 5 important places. What is the number 1 place? Number 1 place, it is used as an habitual action. What do you mean by habitual action? Habitual action. For example, daily morning at 6 o'clock you brush your teeth. So, you do not say, I brushed my teeth. You say, I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth at 6 a.m. So, whichever you are doing as a habitual action, I go to my office at 10 o'clock, I sleep at 9 o'clock, I wear blue dress, I drive Maruti car. So, there is no present tense, past tense, future. If you are doing something on a regular basis, on a habitual action, you are using present tense, number 1 place. Number 2, where do you use number 2? Number 1 is habitual action and number 2 is, what is that? Emotions. Emotions. Whenever you are saying exclamatory words with the here and there, with here and there. For example, here comes, what? Here comes Chief Minister. You are very happy about it. When you are very happy, you are using here comes Chief Minister, here comes Chief Minister. Then what is that third important place where you use the present tense? Something general truth. What is general truth? Nobody can deny this truth. General truth. Sun always rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. So, this rises is the present tense. So, it is a general truth. You cannot deny. It is a sure thing. Nobody is going to deny that. Okay. General thing. Then after that, for example, sugar tastes good. Sugar will always taste good. So, number 4th one. What is the 4th one? An action which is decided early, early, already planned, then you are using present tense. Cricket match starts at 10 o'clock tomorrow. You do not say cricket match will start, you are saying cricket match starts, cricket match starts. So, starts tomorrow. Even though tomorrow is there, you are not using will start, you are using starts because the action is decided, the program is decided. The program is already decided. Then you are using this present tense. Then what is the other one other place, important place? The 5th place, it is the quotation. Quotation. What do you mean by quotation? Somebody says something and you are speaking in the present tense. For example, Gandhi said, what? Gandhi said what? Gandhi said or Nehru said, you can say Nehru said. Studying is the duty of students. The first duty of the student is to study. Second duty of the student is to study. Third duty of the student is to study. Student's duty is to study. So, you are using is. So, somebody said 1947 he has told, but when you want to quote him you are using present tense. So, present tense is used in 5 places. It is habitual action. Number 2, it is emotions with here and there. General truth, sun rises in the east. An action which is decided already, then you are using present tense. Then quotation, you are using present tense. Able to understand? Then past tense. Past tense is used in 2 places. Where are you used past tense? Past tense is used in 2 places. Number 1, Anybody? Past tense is used with adverbial phrases. Past tense is used with adverbial phrases. What do you mean by adverbial phrases? Adverbial phrases. See, for example, I ate. This is past tense. You ask a question where? I ate in the hotel. So, with the adverbial phrases it comes. I ate in the hotel. I ate when? I ate when? I ate yesterday. So, with the adverbial phrases you get past tense. What is the second place you use past tense? Past tense is used with a past habit. Past habit which is not now, which you don't do now, but not now. What is that? He drank liquor. Liquor means, liquor daily. He drank liquor daily means what? He used to drink regularly, but not now. So, the past tense is used with in two places. Ordinary past tense is used. Ordinary past tense is used in two places. Number one is with adverbial phrases. You ask a question to ate, where, when, and ordinary past tense is used in second place is something action happening in the past continuously. Okay. Now, next is future. Next is future. Future, where do you use this future? Plays an important role. Where do you use? To say what will happen in future. Future tense, it is used, ordinary future, it is used to say what will happen in future. See, for example, India will win the match. India will win the match. So, what is this? What will happen in future? What will happen? What will happen in future? In future. What will happen in future? There you are using this future tense. Will win is the future. What is the second place you are using? Something in future which you cannot control. See, for example, May 1st will be a holiday. December 25th will be a holiday because it is Christmas. So, future things which you are unable to control, future things which not able to control. For example, what? December 25th will be a holiday. Will be a holiday. You cannot control. December 25th already planned. You cannot control. Will be a holiday. So, the third important place is at the time of speaking when we decide to do something. For example, TCS is a good company. TCS is a good company. TCS is a good company. I will join there. I will join. I will join. So, they are deciding at the time of speaking. Deciding at the time of speaking. Deciding at the time of speaking. So, the first place is what will happen in the future. Number 2 is future things which we cannot control. Number 2. Third, deciding at the time of speaking what to do. So, future is used in 3 places. What to do? Future, 3. Is it alone enough? No, you are using with going to. Going to. Going to. You have to add present tense. What is the present tense? Present tense. Going to with present tense. For example, what? See, going to plus present tense, you think something and you decide what will happen. For example, what going to? Going to with the present tense, where do you use? So, here it is used when we have decided to do something. See, for example, I am going to. I am going to. So, my dear students, present tense is used in 5 places, past tense is used in 2 places. Present tense habitual actions, emotions, general truth and action which is decided and quotation. Past tense with number 1 with phrases and adverbial phrases and past tense action.